Okay, good day everyone. Our subject today is Art 6. We are now here in quarter 4, week 2. The objectives that we are going to study today are the following. Letter A discusses the concept that designs principles and elements relates to everyday objects, explains the elements and principles applied in product design. In letter B manifests understanding of concepts on the use of software like commands, menu, etc. Utilizes art skills in using new technologies like hardware and software in package design. And for letter C, reviews the truism that art processes, elements, and principles still apply even with the use of technologies. And letter D creates an actual 3D digitally enhanced product design for a paper bag. So for further information about this objective today that we are going to discuss, let us now proceed to our lesson. Elements of art and principles of design of everyday objects. Art plays a vital role in our lives. Thus, the objects that we encountered on a daily basis, whether we deny it or not, embody some elements and principles which make it visually appealing. Elements of art are stylistic features that an artist are incorporating in an art piece to communicate to his or her target audiences. Principles of designs, on the other hand, are the rules in composition that one must follow to create an effective and attractive design. So the elements of art are the following. Number 1 is shape. Shape is formed when line encloses. Shapes can either be 2D or two-dimensional or flat, or 3D, three-dimensional or with 3 dimensions like length, width, and height. Number 2 is colors. Colors affect the mood of a design. Bright colors symbolize radiance while dark colors denote gloom. Colors are categorized into 3: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Number 3 is contrast. Contrast makes a particular element stand out from the rest. Contrast can be applied in color, shape, or even in size. Number 4 is harmony. Harmony is present when all elements in a design fits together, giving a feeling that each piece creates a coherent whole. These elements and principles are also used in product designing. Product designing is creating a new product meant for mass production. It has many fields of application such as medical devices, tableware, jewelry, sports and leisure, food preservation, appliances, furniture, etc. Inserting shapes using Word Microsoft Office. One of the basic elements of art is shapes. In geometry, a shape can be defined as the form of an object or its outline, outer boundary, or outer surface. We can find different basic shapes, such as the two-dimensional square, rectangle, and oval, or the three-dimensional rectangular prism, cylinder, and sphere in the objects we see around us. Concept of art in the use of technology. Taking an audio video is the process of capturing still or moving images, including sounds or music, using digital camera or smartphones. There are a lot of video editing applications for computers and smartphones that can be downloaded to enhance the quality of the audio-video output. Audio-video arts have elements and principles that should always be considered in capturing and editing video output. So now, I'm going to tell you the activities that you are going to do to your SLM or the self-learning module. So let me explain to you the activity 1. In activity A, let's decode it. The direction is here. So decode the hidden terms using the legend below. So each legend has its specific letter. Each shape and symbols has its letter, and all you need to do is to decode what letter is in the value of the shape and symbols. In activity B, let's think about it. Direction: supply the needed information based on the product design below. Number 1 is name of product design. Number 2, elements of arts involved. Number 3, principle of design applied. And 45, field of application. Next is activity 2, which is in activity A, my shape robot. Direction: apply your skills in inserting shapes using microsupport and create your own robot using different kind of shapes. So later on, I will give you some example on how to make a robot or shape robot using different shapes. In activity 3, activity A, match the pictures for the given elements and principles of audio-video arts. Write the letter and the line before the number. Number 1 is balance. Number 2 is rhythm. Number 3 is space. Number 4 is emphasis. And number 5 is texture. Okay, thank you so much guys for listening. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more uploaded videos that I'm going to upload to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you.